Hi Bea, happy 18th birthday. Alam mo ba na medyo matagal-tagal na rin tayong hindi nagkikita. So, ayun, oh my god. Tapos sorry din na hindi ako makapunta sa 18th birthday mo ngayon. Kaya at least gumawa ako ng video as requested para kahit paano part pa rin ako ng birthday celebration mo. O, diba? Bongga. Ayun. Bea, since 18 ka na, nagagawa mo na ang kahit anong gusto mo. With limitations, of course. Siyempre, kailangan alamin mo pa rin yung mga bagay na hindi at dapat mo pa rin gawin. Bas, gets mo na yun. Tapos, ayun, medyo matagal-tagal na rin tayong hindi nagkikita. So, I really think na dapat magkita na ulit tayo, Bea, as soon as you visit Manila ulit. I promise I'll make time. Promise talaga. Promise. Ayun. Tapos, so my wish for you is that you find the happiness you truly deserve, Bea. Kasi, for someone as kind, as special, as beautiful, Nax! and as smart as you are, syempre you'll do great and amazing things, and I know it. At habang gagawin mo yung mga bagay na yon, I'm always here to help you accomplish those things. Ayun. See you soon, Bea. Yee! Basta, come back and visit Manila, okay? Best wishes for you, and have a happy birthday. Bye-bye!